Welcome to Data Design's YouTube channel. Contemporary dining table trends for living spaces represent the evolution of how we gather and dine in our homes. One prominent trend is the fusion of functionality and style, where dining tables are designed to serve as multifunctional pieces. They often incorporate storage solution, adjustable sizes, or extensions to accommodate varying needs and spaces. This adaptability is especially valuable in homes where space is at premium. Moreover, there is a strong emphasis on neutral materials and sustainability. Dining tables crafted from reclaimed wood or sustainable materials align with the growing eco-consciousness in design. These tables often bring a sense of warmth and authenticity to the dining area. Another trend involves unique shapes and design. Circular and oval tables are gaining popularity, breaking away from traditional rectangular shapes and creating a more inclusive and social dining experience. Sleek minimalist design also holds sway, providing a contemporary look that complements a range of interior styles. Additionally, there is a resurgence of retro and vintage designs in dining tables with noted to mid-century modern aesthetics. These designs infuse a touch of nostalgia into temporary living spaces. Personalization is a key with the option for customization, dining table finishes, materials, and sizes to align with individual tastes and interior decor. The use of high quality materials ensures the durability and longevity of these dining tables, making them not only aesthetically pleasing but also practical. These contemporary dining table trends are all about creating a dining space that combines the functionality, sustainability, and style, adapting to the dynamic nature of modern living. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.